Is being a crorepati something you want to accomplish? Of course, we all want this. No one will disagree with this desire. But this is possible only if you use caution and good judgment in your investment choices. Investing can provide at least 1 crore rupees in profits and probably much more. The answer depends on how quickly you need the money, how much you need to live every month, and how much you're willing to risk. In this video, we'll help you build some investing basics and walk you through some important investment decisions for stock investments to help you make your first crores in the stock market. Let's start by answering the big question. Can SIP make you a crorepati? Before we get into it, you will need to understand that SIP is basically a tool for investing. How you use this tool will determine your odds of making profits from the share market. Let's consider a mutual fund's 20 rupees NAV as an example. Putting 1 lakh rupees into that mutual fund will give you 5,000 units of that mutual fund scheme. The value of your investment in the mutual fund will rise along with its net asset value, NAV. Now, for example, let's say the mutual fund performed well, and the NAV goes up to 30 rupees the following year. The 5,000 units you purchased are now worth 1.5 lakhs, giving you a profit of 50%. This is how your money grows over time in the stock market. Similarly, things could go down south, and you could possibly witness your 1 lakh rupees bear 50% loss if you happen to choose a terrible mutual fund for your investments. Like we said earlier, how you put your SIP to investments will decide whether you'll walk out broke or as a crorepati. Let's discuss some tips to start investing on an initial level in the stock market, so you don't happen to make these mistakes throughout your investing career. Tip number 1. Don't let your emotions or sensitivity get in the way of your trade. The market won't tolerate it. Don't freak out, though some traders record a loss out of impatience and fear only to feel awful about it afterwards, when the trade turns against their favor. Tip number 2. Invest as much time as possible in the stock market, and do your homework on the stocks you're considering to buy. As according to the legendary investor Mr. Ben Graham, you should buy stocks like you buy groceries, not like you buy perfumes. Tip number 3. Investing in the stock market is like owning a business, hence profits are not always guaranteed. So keep your eyes wide open, a plan and a stop-loss order to protect yourself from excessive losses. Having some cash on hand other than your investments is really helpful in case of a market shortfall. So, how can you maximize your profits through stocks investment? High-quality stock investments allows you to maximize returns despite the market downturn, so you never have to worry about losing money. This means that before you invest, you need to ensure that you aren't putting your money into questionable companies. So, investors need to know the company's history, where it is now, and its plans for the future to choose stocks that may be best for them. In other words, an investor should know how to read data, such as the management team, the director's integrity and transparency, the company's efficiency and productivity, the product's popularity in the market, the company's financial standing, the debt-to-equity ratio, and the share price regarding the dividend paid at the end of the year, and the list goes on. One of the most important considerations is the level of investment to be made. If an investor buys 1 share, his plans may not come to a much exciting reward, regardless of his level of expertise or experience. Therefore, diversifying across many stocks is essential for mitigating risk. The next thing is determining the kind and industry of stock to purchase. All of these issues may be resolved with careful portfolio management. First, you'll need to choose a market to put your money into. You must choose 2 basic stocks from the industry you've chosen, one at a time. Invest 60% of the portfolio's total assets and maintain the other portion as opportunity money. The power of compounding can make you crorepati. The compounding effect means that the benefits of often investing through SIP and investing for a long time grow over time. Because of the compounding effect, your investment capital will grow over time to include the initial amount you invested and the profits and dividends you earned, and the returns earned returns as well. The stock market is a legitimate way to amass a fortune. We need to do some math to figure this out. Let's say you have a low income and you cannot invest 20,000 rupees per month and want to start with a small amount. You can start by investing 6,597 rupees monthly at the profit rate of 15% for 20 years to earn 1 crore rupees. If you invest 20,000 rupees a month and have a thorough understanding of the market and some trading expertise, you should be able to earn 4% a month. Your investment estimates that you may earn 1.3 crore over the course of 7 years by using this approach. 7 years from now, the sum will be 1.36 crore, 10 years from now, 5.72 crores, 15 years from now, 60 crores, and 20 years from now, 636 crores. The sum is sufficient, or more is desired. Let's do a little more math. In 25 years, the total will be 6,698 crores. And in 30 years, it will be 70,470 crores. There is no mystery involved. All you need to do is deposit 20,000 rupees into your trading account every month and earn 1% each week or 4% per month. The rest is compound profit. If you have a monthly income of 10,000 and can put away only 10% of it or 1,000 rupees, after 32 years, you would have 1 crore. Keep contributing to your SIP at the same level each year. Instead, raise it by 10% each year. If you invest 1,000 monthly in 2022, you'll need to invest 1,100 in 2023, and so on. Since saving a large portion of a low wage is difficult, we have raised the proportion as the pay increases. One who brings in 5,000 rupees monthly should put away at least 2,500 rupees. If your monthly income is more than 1 lakh, you should be able to save at least 30% without sacrificing a comfortable life in a metropolitan area. For someone making 20,000 per month, saving more than 10% is unrealistic because of the high cost of living. This is the power of compounding, which can definitely give you a boost in making you a crorepati. Now, before we move to some important stocks, make sure to hit the thumbs up icon below to like this video. Important Indian stocks to invest. Let's look at the stocks that will serve you well over the long haul. Number 1. Infosys. This technology company is run by Mr. Narayan Murthy. It offers services in digital consulting, outsourcing, and other technical areas. It has a 52-week high of 1,953 rupees and a 52-week low of 1,355 rupees. Number 2. Hindustan Unilever. This Indian-based FMCG company operates on a very large and diversified scale. Its 52 weeks high is at 2,734 rupees and 52 weeks low is at 1,901.55 rupees. Number 3. TCS. TCS Limited has offers worldwide that help businesses with IT, digital, and business consulting. It is based in India. The stock has seen a 52-week high of 4,043 rupees and a low of 2,953 rupees. Number 4. Reliance Industries. One of the best stocks to purchase for long-term prospects is Reliance Industries, an Indian conglomerate with operations in the oil and gas industries, retail, digital services, and the financial sector. Its 52-week high is 2,856.15 rupees, and its 52-week low is 2,180 rupees. Number 5. HDFC Bank. It is a private sector bank located in India. At the wholesale level, it offers commercial and investment banking. At the retail level, it provides branch banking. It has been trading between a high of 1,722.1 rupees and a low of 1,271.6 during the last 52 weeks. 1 crore rupees is going to come to you after a few days. It has a process, and you must follow that. The gradual accumulation of wealth is symbolized by planting a sapling. This can't be done overnight. If it is, the wealth under consideration is unsustainable. It's your life and your money. Invest prudently, but remember that the choice is ultimately yours. This was all for today's video. Please hit the bell icon and subscribe to the channel before you leave this video. If you want to become a crorepati, tell us in the comments where you guys plan to put your money. We have also uploaded a video on investment strategy to make 1 crore on our channel, which can be very helpful to you for knowing all the secret tips to becoming rich by taking smart investment decisions to make 1 crore. You can find the link to that video in the description below and in the card.